gotta strike this chord with the humble hearts. I'm bearing heavy chains and blue collar scars. Inevitably they're gonna get their way. If it don't take that fight, take it to the grave. Trying to walk with the angels.
Alright, here we are again in the kitchen. Today we are making a really quick Italian snack that you can impress your friends with. It's gonna be super easy. Get yourself a bowl, 250 grams of flour, 5 to 10 grams of salt, 100 grams of wine, of white wine, and again, grams, 100 grams of wine. I don't know what's that in ounces or whatever you're using, it's gonna be here somewhere, and 60 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, first things first, we're gonna put the flour in, then we're gonna add the salt, and then we are going to add the oil. Just like this. Easy peasy. Now get yourself a fork and start mixing. Mix. Taralli is like a snack that you can eat with whatever, if you're hungry or you're having a lunch break, or I know you're making aperitivo with your friends, everything really. Now after you've mixed a little bit the oil, you see you create these crumbs, like, you know, and you want to mix everything in until all the flour is, you know, this color, yellowish sort of. So there's no need to add, you know, anything else, just salt, oil, flour, and white wine. And this is the classic recipe. Add a little bit, mix it in. There you go. Add the rest of the wine. If you feel like the dough is a little bit too sticky, you can add some more flour, like I will do right now, because you can see here it's a little bit too soft. Tiny bit. Put it on the table. It's just a little bit of flour so that, you know, it doesn't stick that much. And you just work it for a few minutes. This is not bread or pizza, or, you know, doesn't need a lot of kneading. You just work it. Yeah, that's right. Oh, it's coming perfect. Clean all the table. There we go. Boom. Easy peasy lemon. So if you wanted to add some spices like rosemary, or I don't know, cumin, I tried once. You can go crazy with whatever you want to. I think I will do this like half, just classic style, and I will add some rosemary to the dough to make them, you know, a spiced up version, let's say. You can also add chili or whatever you want, really. Now I will just break it like this. Take some rosemary. I don't have fresh one, so I will add some dry one. Just put it like this. Sprinkle. Sprinkle some more. You know, until it incorporates. I mean, you can go crazy with it however you like. There's no rules. Alright, next step, preheat your oven to 180 Celsius. I know this is like 360 Fahrenheit, something like that, I'm not sure, eh? Now it's time to shape the taralli. So you're gonna get some balls like this. You're gonna form, actually this is too big. Just, yeah, there you go. And you're gonna create like this, you know, sausage, let's call it. Alright, so as you can see, this is way, I mean, you can make them as big as you want. There's, again, no rules. At least I don't have any rules. And you just go like this. Done. Done. Basically, this is what you have to do. Actually, I think, you know, it's better if you use parchment paper. Well, you're gonna need that for the baking part also, so, you know. Okay. So basically what you have to do is to repeat the process as many times as you need, you know. And yeah, that's really kind of it for the moment. Now I want you to take a saucepan on high heat, I guess. Right, bring the water to a boil, put the taralli in, and then you know they're ready when they're floating, basically. It's like cooking gnocchi. And they are ready! Put them on a tray and put the tray in the oven for 40 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. This should be, I don't know, 400 Fahrenheit, something like that. Do not trust me. I've set up 2 trays. And now it's time to put these bad boys in the oven. Here. So these are going to stay 40 minutes. These, I think they're going to stay a little bit longer because they're underneath. So I think it's gonna take something like 50 minutes, I don't know, 40 minutes. And then from there we can, you know, decide what to do next. See you in 40 minutes. Almost done. We actually have the first batch here. Look at this. Beautiful. Alright guys, so here they are. They look pretty good, right? I mean, here? I think it's looking pretty nice. I have almost forgotten, you know, about filming the ending of this video. My glasses are dirty. Because I got into eating. And they are, let me tell you this, they are just amazing. You need to let them cool down though. Don't eat them like warm or straight out of the oven because they're not that good. And you can serve them with whatever you want, cheese or sauces, or just like that with a glass of beer, wine, whatever you want. I don't know, just go crazy with it. And yeah, that's it for today. Hey, let me know if you make them, tag me, DM me, whatever. I'm answering pretty fast. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.